And that's happened. So because of pushing the roller, then we have a hole in the wall. So they are gonna try to put a stopper over there. Can you look at that? So then when the roll comes, it will help to stop and doesn't go through the wall. That's the link from Lorena and Haley.
Hi, this is Lorena from Sanding Department. Our link for today is the stopper for this roller. Before, we didn't have this stopper, and the roller pushes through the wall, and there's a big hole on the wall. So now we put this stopper, and when we push it through, it pops. There you go. That is our link for today.